Welcome to Phase 1, Setting the Stage. This video is the second in a series that will provide a brief overview of each of the recommended phases within the resource allocation review process. The previous video provided an overview of the entire process. This video will provide a high-level overview of the activities and estimated time needed to complete the activities within Phase 1, Setting the Stage. This flowchart provides a visual of the recommended path for conducting a study of resource allocation. Phase 1 is focused on establishing a team or assessing a current team's membership so that necessary perspectives are represented. Upon establishing the team, the district will ensure that each team member understands what a resource allocation review is, why they are exploring this topic, and how the work will be completed. The Resource Allocation Review Process Guide is located on the MDE website titled Resources for Schools Identified for CSI, ATS, or TSI, and may be accessed by using the QR code on the lower right corner of this slide. The document is tabulated for navigating each of the 6 phases of the process. Each phase has a single-page summary that provides the goal to be accomplished, an estimated amount of time for completion, and links to some resources that may be helpful throughout the phase. The 3 goals of Phase 1 include the leadership's commitment to this work, the formation of a team or teams, and training all team members. The time estimates are separate for facilitator or leader time, and the approximate time it will take for the team to collaborate. Phase 1 estimates leader preparation time at 2 to 4 hours, and team collaboration or learning time at 1 to 2 hours. The purpose of Phase 1 is to ensure teams representing various perspectives are established and trained with committed support from district leadership to identify and address resource inequities impacting the school or schools identified to receive additional supports. The estimated team leader preparation time is between 2 and 4 hours. It is recommended that the team leader collaborates with district leadership and the ISD RESA partner to complete these tasks, which are to 1. Review guidance documentation, 2. Establish goals and a timeline, 3. Consider resources and necessary training, and 4. Schedule meetings. Leadership commitment includes providing clear communication with high expectations throughout the process, maintaining a clear understanding of the why of this work and how it supports district priorities, increases this task's relevance and motivates the team. Accountability and success are fostered through clear goals, a detailed timeline, and a genuine desire to identify and address the existing challenge. Active participation builds trust and shared ownership of the results. This equates to an investment in professional learning with ongoing support that includes addressing barriers and making the necessary resources available to the team. By providing the necessary staff, time, and materials to accomplish this task, the leadership demonstrates the importance of this activity. The district may choose to utilize an existing team or teams to carry out the resource allocation review. On page 6 of the Resource Allocation Review Process Guide, a table provides recommended tasks for team members. It is important to reflect upon the knowledge and experience of each team member to ensure a variety of perspectives and skill sets are available to accomplish the work. Is there an individual who can be assigned each of the recommended tasks and any other tasks that may be needed? Do individuals have direct engagement in the continuous improvement process with an awareness of student needs? Are they aware of the strategies designed to address the known student needs? Are there individuals with an understanding of the district priorities? Do team members work in the building or buildings that have been identified for additional support? In what ways do members of the team represent the community? For example, do some of the committee members live within the community? Is there a parent on the team? The QR codes on this slide link to resources that may be helpful throughout the team's formation. Training will look different for each team member based upon the role being fulfilled. For example, it is recommended that an administrator, team leader, and continuous improvement facilitator read through all the materials and review each video. For team members engaging in the inquiry or study of resource allocation and use, it is recommended that they read the materials and view the videos for the overview in Phase 2 through 5. Finally, the individual or individuals responsible for entering information into the MyKIP platform should read through the Phase 6 materials and view the corresponding training video. Technical assistance for this process may be provided by the District ISD RESA partner, MyKIP support team, a partnership agreement liaison, a coordinated support point of contact, or by contacting Stephen Curry at currys1@michigan.gov or 517-241-6961.